Here are the new cabinets. I mean the new countertops. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Let me get us a little lighting. Voila. Magic. Look at this. Pure granite. New sink. It didn't come with a faucet. So baby boy had to get a faucet. It's not as light as the white countertops. Because it's granite, we gotta have some pot holders, I guess, or something to keep it from hot pots, whatever we want to call them, hot plates. We take stuff out the oven or off the stove. Oh, the plant. It's about to bloom again. Is that a heat streak? I don't think that's a heat streak. I think that's a natural streak. It's up here too. Alrighty.